to the violation of the Constitution.
Alugbati na pakalapan. Gulay na langka at alugbati na may daing at ilis. Mainit pa. Langka. Wow. This is it.
Ang dapat bantayan nung
Gulay na lang
sila na mapatanggal
na
yung
may
isa dahil
daing.
may pronouncement na evidence at
Mayroon
tutuktog
akong
lang
buko.
is accountability. At damay ba sila doon
Alugbati.
i-predating the opportunity and the right to cause a proper forum? Huwag po na ibraso dito sa pagtanggal kay BP at paggamit ng resources ng government because in not part of it. Otherwise, if you are pushing this kind of narrative, it only shows one thing, that you are part of the problem. Mag-file ng kaso sa kanila, sabi nga, para hindi na mapag-usapan